Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. By doing so, you will help others, just like yourself, be able to find my home decor DIY videos. I got this cute chalkboard in a craft bundle I purchased off of Marketplace. I think it came from Michael's originally. I was going to use this ribbon to start with, but then I found a cuter one in my stash that I decided to use. This cut file was actually free on design bundles. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. After cutting and weeding the file, I removed it using transfer paper and applied it to the chalkboard stand. I forgot to use alcohol to clean the board, so some of the letters didn't want to stick. I first tried using my hot air gun to heat the vinyl up, but that didn't work. So I used my iron to help the letters stick a little. After removing the transfer paper, I used my iron again to heat the vinyl so it would melt into the chalkboard pattern. This gave it more of a hand-painted look. I found this ribbon in my stash and thought it would look better on the chalkboard. I applied a thin layer of Mod Podge and placed the ribbon on it, making sure it was straight. I used Mod Podge instead of hot glue because the Mod Podge dries clear and I knew some of the glue would leak through the ribbon. I started to apply the ribbon to the bottom also, but decided it looked better just on the top. I turned the chalkboard over and used hot glue to attach the ribbon to the back corners. I applied the hot glue to both corners and pressed the ribbon down into it. Just look at how stinking cute this is. And it looks great next to my tiered tray. And now for the love potion jar. I got this cute little jar at Dollar Tree. It actually came with seashells in it. I took it outside and spray painted it with some red spray paint. While the paint dried, I used my Cricut and created a cute cut file for the bottle. When the paint was dry, I applied the vinyl using transfer paper to the bottle. The bottle was cute just like it was, but I wanted something else. I used some white string and a little pink heart from Dollar Tree. I made a hole in the top corner of the heart and strung the string through it. I wrapped the string around the top of the bottle and cut the extra string off. And look how cute it turned out. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!